Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Prohire TruckTV. Today we're going to look at the new Maxus E-Deliver 9, the 3.5 ton electric vehicle from Maxus. Now, I guess those that haven't heard of Maxus before, it's part of the SAC Corporation, one of the largest vehicle manufacturers in the world, and this is a new entry into the UK market. You've seen the older shape Maxus, the V80, which was referenced to the LDV product. This is a brand new bottom up product, which actually, to be fair, is one of the better ones I've seen from an OEM out there, actually, period. So we'll have a look at this today, and over the next few days you'll see some trials and tribulations, taking it for a run, and let's see how much some of these promises are worth. So the E-Deliver 9s is a brand new product, and of course, you know, with that comes all the things you'd expect in a brand new, a brand new 2020 van. You know, it's got everything that you would like to see and everything that you expect to see, moreover, in a new modern electric vehicle. You know, and from the outset, it looks the part, and I'd like to say that over the next few days we'll see if it is the part. It's reminiscent of many other large vans, and it's, you know, I'm sure you see the resemblances across the piece here when you start to look at it. But quite a big van, lots of space. As you see, no batteries. You can see they're all in the floor, as you can see with a designed electric vehicle, where access is from underneath the vehicle. Nice step, nice touch there into the vehicle, and you'll be able to see the dashboard clearly, or the way that the whole vehicle's been set out, which I think is really good, really good. So overall, looks good. What we're going to do over the next few days, we're going to try it, and we're going to see just how good or bad this van actually is. So we've come to, and I've just jumped in now into our new Maxus E-Deliver 9, which is the electric version of the standard Deliver 9 panel van, and from Maxus, or as we used to know, LDV. And of course, you know, I've said on a number of occasions to people who have listened to me over the last 30 years or so, I fell out with the brand of LDV some years ago, and I never thought that I'd be in a situation where I would have a conversation with myself over this product, never mind the viewers and the subscribers and everyone else that I deal with. However, that being said, I picked up on this brand and model in conjunction with Johnny McAvoy from Harris Commercials going back last year. We've already done one conversation regarding the E-Deliver 3, which is just a super van. We're going to come back to that very shortly on some of the other products in there. But this is just arrived in the UK, and it's the E-Deliver 9 electric. I'm going to take it for a run. I'm going to use it over the next few days to showcase what this van's capable of doing, and everything about the vehicle, to see really if it's as good as it looks, and it does look really fantastic. Inside the cab, outside the cab, load space, everything, and we'll go through all of that over the next couple of days. And of course, range is key, as we all know, and for me, you know, it's important that we touch on all of these things and all the technical data that we can get, because making a purchase of this magnitude and to bring it into your fleet, it's got to be involved in everything around your business and how you can make them work, including powering up and all the things. And of course, at Prohire, we do all this with you to establish even whether the vehicle will even fit on your fleet or not. So let's buckle up, and we'll take this for a run. Of course, you may notice that I'm doing this all the filming and everything myself. Social distancing at the moment is at a new heightened level, especially up here in the north. So bear with us, and I'll try my best to manage this and see how we go on. So look, well appointed vehicle, really smart. Let's get it into drive, and let's see if we can give this this big electric van a run for its money. You know, never get tired of driving electric vehicles, as you know. Super quick, straight out, boom, 50 miles an hour, straight away. No issue at all. It is great to be in a vehicle of this quality, and I've driven lots and lots of electric vehicles. Too soon to say how good this vehicle is, but one thing I'm going to tell you over the next 24 hours, 48 hours, I will tell you how good I believe this vehicle to be. You know, it's got everything that you would expect from an electric vehicle. And one of the great things about this, it's not designed around just an internal combustion engine. It's been platformed out from an electric standpoint as well as taking a diesel engine. However, you know, the range availability, this is the mid-range 72 kilowatt batteries, and then we're looking at WLTP around town of 200 miles. You know, we'll see, I guess, but certainly from urban and motorway work, 150 mile range, it's head and shoulders above anything else that's available from any manufacturer that I know of. Larger batteries are available, 88 kilowatts, looking 185 miles and 220 miles. You know, again, so far above anything else that's out there. But the appointment of it, it's quiet. You know, I committed to video some weeks ago, and I said, you know, one of the things for me about the Deliver 3, it was a bit vanny. And I think, you know, there was a couple of people that came back to me and said, well, you know, expect, but when you look at other models out there, they take from car derived and bring their car technology to a van. People are expecting a certain level. This is not vanny. This is properly up there with any van that you're going to drive on the UK roads today. 100%. You know, really a glass drive. 100%. Love it. And I guess all of these things are going to come in to the fore, so you instantly forget you're in an electric van, and I think that in itself is a real driver for the people who drive electric vehicles. You don't want to be thinking about, oh, I'm in an electric van, oh, it's this, oh, it's that. It's not, it's there, it's right there for you. You've got power, you've got quietness, you've got positivity, it's direct drive, you feel solid on the road, great big dashboard, loads of screen, loads of information. Amazing, really good. So I guess the proof of the pudding is going to be in the eating, as we say, and from my perspective, this is a big van. It's got loads of range. It's got AC and DC charging on board, and you can charge it at 7 kilowatts. But so if you've got DC charging, you can charge this at 50 kilowatts. So basically, you can charge this vehicle in an hour and a half. But again, if you need to understand the technical details behind AC and DC, we do full surveys. We'll come on site. We'll ensure you've got enough power. We'll arrange all of that. And of course, every vehicle we show on Prohire TruckTV, you can take from Prohire on full contract hire, and this vehicle is no exception. You know, it is a super piece of kit. So, you know, I'm going to crack on a little bit now, and we'll come back to this a little bit later.